sector, right? And in order to sell the product, there need to be a sales sector. And in order to provide service for the product which you brought, that will be of service sector. Okay. So and in order to generate orders, right? So that will be of like OmniScript or like the workforce management what you deal with. So the things which I said, right? The marketing. So in order to like promote your product, that will be of another sector, right? Which is of marketing. Okay. In order to get the revenue generated for that particular product what you are selling, that will be of finance sector, right? So whenever you come to CRM, right, customer relationship management, so right from the marketing till the revenue generation and the order placement, you need all in one place in order to start your company or anything, right? Because nothing is like free of cost. Okay. So then and on top of this all, like you need to have the performance and everything working in a good place or at a certain point of time, every time certain point of time. Okay. In order to or in order to increase your sales, in order to grow up your organization, these all are like needed, right? So coming to like the CRM, the reason why I said CRM is, so when you have all these, so you have better customers, okay, better relationship with the clients and the end users, and on top of that, whenever you have a particular management, so that's where your organization will grow and along with the company revenues and all. Okay. So when you have all these items in one place with a good go, then that's where your organization will grow in further or in future. Okay. So that's where like Salesforce is now. Okay. I mean, so CRM is nothing but like where all solutions are provided in one atmosphere, or else on a single step. Okay. That's where like Salesforce is there. Because in order to do marketing, so you need to promote the product that you have launched recently, or else in order to do sales for that product, you need to have like the sales user, sales managers, territory managers, country managers and all. So and also on top of this, like in order to simplify like each area of process, right, rather than taking much time in order to close a particular deal in span of seconds, right? So that's where you need to have a particular software that which needs to be support to your company or to your sales or to your services in the organization. Okay. So that software is what we call it as Salesforce. Okay. Where it supports like entire 360 degrees in your real time, right from the marketing to till the order management. Okay. So in Salesforce, like you have marketing cloud, for sales it's Sales Cloud, and for like revenue generation it's CPQ Cloud, and for service it's Service Cloud, and for manufacturing it's Manufacturing Cloud. And Manufacturing Cloud was not there earlier, and it was recently came into the IT sector or else the IT world recently, and it's a not bit on top of sales, service, and like the marketing cloud. So it's been released recently, and more updates are going on to that. Okay. So when you have all these in one place, that's where you have your better employment, better time management, and saving your time in closing the deals as much as fast you can. Okay. So coming to the sessions that we are going to do, right? So that is purely of Salesforce admin, where you will have completely of configuration part, and you don't have much coding. Okay. In case you want your custom solutions to be built, so then you need to go on to the coding part, what I mean. Okay. So in case if you have the better knowledge on the application, so you can do it max 80% everything in a configurationable way. Okay. And the rest 20%, it depends on the business criteria and business requirements, where you need to go through the custom part according even if you go with the configuration part, you need to follow the system standards. Okay, if you exceed the system standards, then it will run into an issue. Clear till now or any doubt? So Salesforce, like it's been started in 1999, and later on, like from past 15 years, it has got an boom in the market, and like now it's going on with as ease of use. Okay, so not only like I mean, like the CRM platforms only Salesforce. Like we have like rest other platforms like Oracle, PeopleSoft, or like Microsoft Dynamics CRM and all. But those softwares compatibility is not easy to the customers as much as like the Salesforce did. Okay, that's why like, and also like those are like and the costing of the orgs what you buy from your customers in order to support your software. So that is of more costable for the company. So that's where like Salesforce has came into picture, and like they have this reasonable pricing as compared to other CRMs. Okay, so that's the thing. And like now I'll go and share with the training content. Okay, so first initially we'll go with the cloud computing, what we'll do in cloud computing, and like what are all the platforms or the services that we support with the cloud computing options. And then we'll go with the admin part completely. Okay, which are like configurable. So first we'll deal with how to create an org, the developer org for your practicing purpose. So tomorrow I'll say you like how to create. So please keep your personal mail IDs ready. Okay, specific to Salesforce, what you want to use it for. Okay, because for the next 3 months you'll be using the same mail IDs in order to do like any setup in your personal logs. Okay, whatever the daily training that is going on, you will learn on your own way once the training is done. Okay, and in case like if you have any doubts or any queries, like you can reach out to me. So first like developer account, and then later on like for each of the application you'll be creating an app, and inside the app you'll have objects, fields, and like one-on-one relationships, and like the optimizations part and the automations part use yours. So these are like moving forward we'll get to know in depth. Okay, so these are often high level course content what I'm discussing is currently on. Okay, and like you have public groups, validation rules, workflow rules, approvals, process builders, dashboard supports, and like the deployment tools, data loaders, and how to monitor your org. Okay, so this will be of 3 months course content. Okay, so here in Salesforce, like we'll be having two things. One is of like the classic part, which I'm going to start right from classic, and later on, like once you have an hands-on, then I'll be moving into like the lightning part. Okay, so classic earlier, like when in 1999, it was with only classic, and like from past like 15 to 20, like not 15 to 20 years, it is of around like 30 years, I guess. So from not 30, it is like something around 25. Okay, from 25 years, like lightning is being mostly used. Okay, because like the like, the much user experience friendly when compared to classic. Okay, earlier it was built on classic, and like then later on due to like the org well of Lightning experience in order to optimize and move forward easily with the application. Clear? So basically I'll start with Classic first, and later on I'll be moving with Lightning. Okay, both are same. Okay, there is no difference between Classic and Lightning. The main difference what you have is the user interface, what you are seeing. Okay, and like some of the options will change. Okay, let's take, if you want to go an application, it will be of right side in Classic, but in Lightning it will be on left side. Okay, the pattern changes between those two environments. Okay, that's it. So using this one application, you can easily switch back to Classic and Lightning whenever you have a need. Okay, so tomorrow I'll be creating your developer orgs, and from tomorrow, like once you are all good with your developer, I'll be starting with a high level, how to create an app in your Salesforce. Okay, so daily I'll be taking 30 minutes, and rest 30 minutes will be like the Q&A sessions. Clear? Perfect. Any doubts? Guys?
No, sir. No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, fine. And also, like if you want to have an extra knowledge on it, so I can refer you like some of the docs you can refer to, and also like I'll be sharing you like the interview questions and like the training questions and all. Once like we have the end of second month ending. Okay, so you can get prepared within 1 month for the third month, and like you can parallelly attend the training sessions and all. And also like in case like if you are more eager and like if you are interested to accounts for you, so you can practice on your own with the real-time solutions. Okay, real-time use cases. Clear?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, fine. So from tomorrow, not from tomorrow, from Wednesday. Okay, tomorrow there will be a session, but it will be purely of like creating a developer accounts for you. Okay, and from Wednesday the first session will start, and later on like on the next week, so you will have like the sessions per week, 3 days. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday will be of Salesforce, and rest 3 days will be of like Anji will be handling that. Clear? In case like if you are in testing classes also. Okay, so in my sessions like it will be of very clear. So in case like if you have any questions or any doubts, so just feel free to ask, so I'll reply back to you, okay, over the session itself. And in case like if it is out of box solution, I'll update you. Okay, not to worry about that. And like I might ask like questions in between the sessions, so that I can understand like where you are up to, and I can move forward with the next topic. Clear?
Yes, sir.
All right.
Okay.
So
Yes, sir.
please be like attending the session, okay, and be more interactive over the session. Okay, then only like you will get to know what is happening. Clear? So silent voices is not needed in my session. So everyone need to have at least a question in the session. Okay, it might be right or wrong, so I need questions to be fired. Okay, so that like you can make me alert, like so that I can prepare well for the next session.